My role at Sessions College as the Dean of Academic Affairs is to engage with faculty, work with curriculum, work with academic team, interface with all the other departments, and basically I'm one big cheerleader to make sure that everyone keeps their eye on the ball. We're inspiring students to exceed their own expectations. I was prepared for this role in a lot of different ways. I worked as a graphic designer at the same time I was an educator, and that all came to fruition in other institutions, educational institutions, private and public colleges. I'm passionate about design, but also about education and student success. So all of that comes together, and I even opened museums. So I worked with a lot of different departments and understand the value of teamwork, and that's also another piece that I bring to Sessions College. We're really focused on teaching our faculty and student services and our whole team about what motivates students and how we can help them leverage their ability to be creative. And I think that's one of the things that distinguishes Sessions from other online schools. Some schools became online because they had to, COVID and all that other stuff, but they were just taking what they did in the classroom, the brick and mortar, and put it online. That is not necessarily effective online education. Effective online education engages the student from the get-go, provides curriculum that's really exciting and compelling and relevant, which is what we do, and not just using a textbook and go, and chapter 3, blah. No, what we do is to go, here's a skill. Here's how you're going to engage it. The people that teach at Sessions are really terrific. Aside from being great instructors, they're passionate about their field, they care about student success, they understand that sometimes students, you could have a class where you have a student that's like, whoa, I really get this, and someone who's struggling, and it's up to them to engage with both types of students and to get them all moving forward. Well, I think the field of education is going to continue to evolve. I think what happened with the pandemic turned every industry on its head. And I think there's a lot of people rethinking what education is and what the value of education is. And I absolutely know Sessions is going to continue to evolve. And technology we're using today is going to change, but we'll always remain current because that's what we do. Sessions stays current and relevant to prepare people for the field they're going into. So we're looking at trends to anticipate what they'll need in the future.